Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to change the navigation voice in your Google Maps on your Android device. So for this guys, first of all you need to open the Google Maps on your device. After opening, on the top right side corner you can get your profile picture of your Google account. Just tap on it. From here you want to open the settings. In the settings guys, scroll down and find out navigation settings. Just tap on it, and here you can get the option voice selection. Just tap on it, and here you can get the lots of option to change the navigation voice on your Google map. So by default it was set to English India. If you want to change, you can get more option to change the voice selection. As you can see, from here you can easily change your navigation voice on your Google map. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.